Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, please don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other video. On this video, we'll be talking about UTHANDO NES'THEMBU Season 8 ending. As UTHANDO NES'THEMBU near its season finale, viewers are anxious waiting for the final 2 episodes, with many already expressing their reluctance to say goodbye to their drama. The journey has seen Musa in a more vulnerable state after suffering a stroke, and the emotional and physical toll of him and his family has been evident. With only 2 episodes left, it is clear that the end of UTHANDO NES'THEMBU will leave a void that is not easily filled. Our next topic in this video is that everything on UTHANDO NES'THEMBU is now staged too much. The show has always been known for its raw portrayal of polygamous family dynamics. Recent episode has left all of us wondering if everything we are watching is staged for entertainment purposes. The growing concern started after viewers noticed that several scenes didn't seem to align with the reality the show has presented in previous seasons. The show has started to feel more like a well-rehearsed production than a real-time documentary of the Mseleku family. The show's usual drama, once considered unscripted and organic, now seems manufactured. Thank you very much for watching. That was all for now. Until we meet in my next video.